Waking up with low back pain, it is no fun, it stinks, I get it. So I wanted to give you guys a couple tips that you can utilize while sleeping that may help your mornings go a little bit easier. We sleep 6, 7, 8 hours a night. And if we're sleeping that long, that's up to 1/3 of our life being spent asleep. And if our position is not in a biomechanical sound position, it's going to put some stress on joints that shouldn't be stressed. So for those of you who sleep on your side, typically our knees will never line up. It won't happen. One knee goes over the other one or it goes behind. Either way, what happens is that's going to put undue stress on the low lumbar joints, the SI joints, and the hip joints. And again, 6, 7, or 8 hours of just staying in that position, you wouldn't do it while you're awake. Why would you do it while you're asleep? So, easy suggestion, costs nothing, takes an extra pillow. Take a pillow, just like you have on your bed at home, put it between your knees. That's going to allow you to keep your knees lined up. It won't bother your knees, but the hip joints and the SI joints will stay lined up as well. For those of you who sleep on your back, we go flat, legs are flat. That puts a lot of tension on the low back muscles and also can pull the dendrites. So what I'm going to suggest again is take that pillow and just put it under your knees. So that's going to allow your pelvis to kick back, create more of that lumbar curve that we naturally have. And so after your 6, 7, 8 hours of sleep, you wake up a little bit more refreshed. The other thing I'm going to suggest is that when you get out of bed, take your time. There's no rush. I know typically alarms go off. We want to get to our day. We got work, we got food, we got the kids, etc. Take a moment to put your feet on the floor first and then get out of the bed almost like in a square position. So those are 3 things that you can do that can help alleviate the low back pain that may be happening because of the way we're sleeping. So if you found this information useful, or if you want to find out some more information how we may be able to help you with your low back discomfort, I want you to click that Learn More button below. Tag a family member, tag a friend, share the video. And again, this is Dr. Adam Waddell from North River Family Chiropractic, where we say we're here to help you take back your health. Have a great day.